The 5 pillars of Islam are not mere rituals, they are living principles drawn from the Quran, pathways that awaken the soul and align the restless mind with truth. Shahadah is not just spoken words, but a revolution of the heart, breaking idols of ego, wealth, and fear, and awakening to the one reality. Muhammad Rasul Allah points to the enlightened conscience, the living Quran within. Salah is more than 5 prayers, it is a constant connection to the inner script, a heartbeat of remembrance. When we follow greed or anger, that bond is broken, but through humility, the self returns to peace. Zakah is not charity alone, but purification of the nafs. Wealth is a trust, not ownership. To give is to free the self from greed and circulate divine energy, expanding the soul. Sawm, fasting, is discipline of the ego, refining desire and revealing inner strength. In restraint, the self becomes a vessel of clarity for divine light. Hajj is not only a journey to stone and desert, but the inner pilgrimage, repairing the self, shedding illusions, circling around the axis of truth, and returning to the beloved. Philosophers and mystics, Ghazali, Ibn Arabi, and Rumi, all showed that these pillars are not obligations of the body, but transformations of the soul. True Islam is not compulsion, but inner alignment. The real victory is not in conquering the outer world, but in mastering the quiet kingdom within. For more blogs, visit www.ahleaqal.com, YouTube, WhatsApp, and TikTok, Ahle Aqal.